This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Jeff Davis. Construction is underway on this new home on large lot in Heritage Oaks North. New floor plan with spacious 1,684 square feet living area. Welcoming study/office area off great room which is open to the kitchen, foyer, and dining room featuring electric fireplace, and plenty of glass. Solid slab granite countertops throughout with wood laminate floors in living, dining, bedrooms, and kitchen areas. Tongue and groove wood ceilings on rear patio and porch. Large master area with 2 walk-in closets with his and her areas along with a large bath with double vanity, garden tub, and separate shower. Full-size walk-in laundry area with cabinets and clothes hanging area. Exterior features large patio, hardy plank siding and brick